Hi biology friends, it's Sarah, your other biology professor. Let's talk about homologous chromosomes. What are they and how can you identify them? In humans, we've got two broad categories of chromosomes. Autosomes, of which there are 22 different types, and the sex chromosomes, X and Y. And if we were looking at gametes, sperm or egg, these are haploid cells, and you'd see one copy, one version of each of these 23 different types of chromosomes. But most of the cells in your body are diploid cells, meaning they have two copies of each of those chromosome types. Some exceptions though. Those versions of this same chromosome type, we call those homologous chromosomes. They're going to be roughly the same size. The centromere will be in the same location for both of them, giving them roughly the same shape. And you'll also see the same types of information, the same genes on those homologous chromosomes. And those genes will be laid out in roughly the same order, the same organization on those homologous chromosomes as well. Homologous means similar, sort of relating to the same thing. So if we have two homologous chromosomes set up side by side, you can see gene 1 in the same location, but different sequence. Maybe we'd have allele big A on one chromosome, allele little a on the other homolog. Gene 2, again, same location. Maybe they have the same sequence at gene 2. Gene 3, again, same idea, same location, but maybe different sequences here. Why are they not identical? Well, remember that these are going to have different sources. One set of chromosomes is going to be inherited maternally via the egg, the other paternally through the sperm. So these chromosomes have been hanging out in different family lineages, picking up different mutations. So unlike the often confused sister chromatids, right? Sister chromatids are attached to each other. They are identical because literal copying has been done there. With homologous chromosomes, you've got two separate chromosomes that have different sequences because they have different sources. If you're still a little on sister chromatids and replicated chromosomes, I've got a video on that. All right, let's wrap up with a few tips and then a quick example. So remember, when you're looking for homologous pairs, you are talking about chromosomes that are the same general size, shape, and are going to carry the same type of genetic information. In diagrams, you're usually going to see these represented in different colors as well. The idea here is that one set of chromosomes is inherited paternally, and maybe that's colored blue, and another set is inherited maternally, and in diagrams that might be colored red. Often that is the case. I'm not going to say always, but that's another thing to look for as well. I've got a big pile of chromosomes over here. How many homologous pairs can you find? Pause the video if you need a second. Did you find them all? Fantastic. All right, y'all, drop me a like if you learned something about homologous chromosomes, and be sure to check out my website for even more resources, and I will see you next time.